we're back. Looks like there's quite a lot going on, so I'm going to send my drone up and see what we missed. And we will go up again and have a look at this piling machine doing its job. So, keep it high, don't want to disturb them too much. I just bring it over. So they've got the piling machine down there. Just bring it down a touch, a little bit too high there. I'll bring about 55. We'll just spotlight on that, we can zoom in then. There you go, nice slow zoom in. You can see piling machines working away there with that digger, and they're putting some of the mesh down into the hole that's been drilled, and I don't know if they're drilling, filling with concrete and then putting the mesh in, or vice versa. But that's what they're doing, and the mesh is just there, down at the side, just to the back. We'll just bring it around past this tree. You should be able to see it just on the left hand side here. There you go. So just there you go. Just popped out from behind the tree now. Just zoom out a touch. And just do a fly over the top of them. It's going up now. We're going up now, getting ready to drill again. That's right. Let's just back on that. You can see bring it around this way a little bit. See the blue caps where they've drilled previously down there. I'm zooming in and out today. Sorry guys, I apologise. You can see the blue caps where they've drilled. There we go, and that's the drill just starting up. That's a pity you can't hear it. Oh wow, you should see all the there you go. I think I caught that then, all the dust coming off it. We had some dry weather. It does make a noise. Let me see if I can, hopefully you can pick it up on the microphone. Maybe not. Bring it around a little bit. There you go. You see it working away now. Drilling them new foundations in, and then we can get that channel in for the canal, which hopefully then will give them the option to then reopen the path, and we can get down there a little bit closer, and maybe I can film using my handheld camera. But the drone for me gets better views. You get to see stuff that you wouldn't normally see. So I will still keep using my drone, and we can get a full view of the canal and all. Hiya pal, you alright?
Yeah, good, thanks. Any progress?
Yeah.
Is there?
Yeah, they've just put, I don't know if you can see it, it's literally just drilling now, so they've literally just put some mesh in,
Yeah.
and now they're drilling it back in, and they're putting the concrete in from the top.
Right.
So, see all them blue ones there? I don't know if you can see them just about.
Yeah.
They're ones that they've previously done and just capped off.
Right, so
So
what's the purpose of that?
The purpose of that is, so once that's all in, that'll stop it all sliding down again. So once they've put all them in, at the back of that, they'll then put the new channel in for the canal. So there's no chance of it then sliding back down.
So they're going to put them in there, and then they're going to put the channel that side?
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah. So there's
They needed something doing.
Yeah. So hopefully there's no chance of it sliding down.
Excellent.
I've literally just got off the plane.
Have you?
Yeah.
Where have you been?
I've been in Majorca
oh, brilliant. What was the weather
for
like?
2 weeks. Hey?
What's the weather like? Good?
Yeah, really good, yeah. It just hit 29 today, so it's been around 26, 27, which is more than hot enough.
That's enough. That.
Yeah.
But we've had some bad ones here.
Yeah. I believe so. Well, let's just...
Today it's comfortable.
Yes.
This I like.
Yeah, with a bit of a breeze as well.
Yeah. Oh, excellent. Whereabouts? Which part of Majorca did you go to?
Can't pick a fort we went to.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I've never been.
Yeah.
Never heard of it.
Yeah, I loved it.
Did you?
Yeah. I did some filming while I was there, so if you want to have a look, you can have a look on my channel.
I'll have a look on your channel.
I'll have a look on my channel.
I will, yeah.
I went through the market. So I did one through the market. It was all the old days were like, oh, you need to go through the market. I'm like, I don't do markets. Anyhow, I did that. But then there's some history stuff around there as well.
What is your channel?
Called The Flying Scot on YouTube.
The Flying Scot.
Yeah.
All one word, no...
Spaces, The Flying Scot.
The Flying Scot.
Yeah, if you search Manchester Bury Canal Restoration, you'll find me on that. So that's the rig that they've got up in the garden centre.
Oh, yeah.
And all the pipes running down here.
I wonder what that was again.
Yeah, so they've allowed them to use that by the looks of it.
So they're feeding off that now?
Yeah, they're feeding so the concrete truck keeps coming, filling that thing up. And then once it's filled that up. Oops.
So that's how they're getting it in?
Yes.
Through the garden centre?
Yeah.
I kept walking past that. There's a lot of big machinery here, but it's not doing anything. You know? And I kept seeing concrete trucks going in.
Oh, yeah.
Is your drone out at the moment?
It's just over the top of them now.
What kind of battery life do you get out of that?
So I get roughly, excuse me, if I'm doing still stuff like this where I'm literally just hovering over the top recording, I get about half an hour.
Oh, that's alright, isn't it?
Yeah. But if I'm doing any speed flying or anything like that, you're looking around about 20 minutes. So, but it's still more than I always have 3 with me. More than good enough.
Oh, what, 3 batteries?
Yeah, I have 3 batteries with me and me.
Yeah.
My other camera as well. I haven't brought my tripod because that's still my suitcase.
So, what time did you arrive back?
We landed at 1:30.
Bloody hellfire.
Yeah, landed at 1:30, got back in, said hello to the dogs, dumped my suitcases and then came straight out.
Did you find it so much easier now they've done your fingerprints?
No.
Did you not?
No, it was a faff because they insisted on... We did them back in December, but they insisted on doing them again, which I thought was a bit of a nuisance, but... Hey. Right. I think...
Oh, got a nice breeze here. Oh, yeah. So, have they any idea when they're going up the footpath again?
Well, that's what I was just saying then. I was just having a look now. So where they're working now, we'll just bring it up a touch. That wind's picking up. Yeah, oh, there we go. Yeah, the drone's just getting blown all over the place now. Yeah, I don't know is the answer. Looking at it, it doesn't look like, because they've got like a fencing round here, which would suggest they're going to put it back in at some point. But it depends on how far that's got to go. But I know it's got to go. I think it's at least 50 feet. Well, there you go. Back on the canal, piling machines up. I'll put some footage that my daughter's been filming over the last couple of weeks, and I'll keep you up to date. It was good to get a nice shot of the piling machine actually working away. As you can tell, I've literally just got back off holiday. I dumped my cases and got down here with my drone straight away. I'm not lying, first one I sent up, I completely forgot to hit record. So I had to just send it up again then, hit record, hopefully it's all right. Well, I know the second shot's good. The first shot was really good. Saw the digger bringing the mesh down, and the guys actually pushing it into the hole and whatnot and hammering it in. Quite interesting, but I missed it. next time. I'll get it next time. So if you want to keep up to date with what's happening on the canal, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.